What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Honda Civic. Oh man, what a cool little car. Stay with us on today's video. All right, everybody, so we're trying something a little different on the channel. We're doing like a POV type walk around condition report video of a car. So anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comments. Let's crank the Civic up. It is a 2010 Honda Civic Lx automatic 4-door. Let's see how many miles is on this car. All right, so already 220,000 miles on the Honda Civic. My God, that's a lot of mileage, isn't it? It is. Let's go ahead and pull it out and take a look at it and see what it's all about. The exterior color on this car is black with the gray interior. I will tell you, sitting inside the car, it's pretty clean. It's not too bad. Our detailer did a pretty good job getting the car cleaned up and all. I like the layout in the Honda where you got your tachometer here, your speedometer up there, which is kind of cool. So that's not too bad. Power steering feels good, right? It does got a little bit of wear on top of the steering wheel there. Let's go ahead and check our windows. Windows are working over here. That one's working there. And yep. All right, so all 4 windows working, good to go. Let's see if the radio works. All right, radio's working. Let's go ahead and test out the heat. And we'll give that just a moment. Let's go ahead and get out, take a look at the rest of the car. Looks like it's got your 12 volt there, your auxiliary there, automatic e-brake cup holders. So there's your Honda Civic 2010. And looks pretty good, you know. It's got that nice black about it. It's got the headlights going on there, look pretty good. It does have a little bit of oxidation going on your headlight here. You got a fender that's got a little bit of damage right there. But tires on the car right here are in great shape. Whoa. the little Kia has had better days than the Honda. But anyways, that's pretty good. It looks like we do got some damage right down there on the bottom of the car. Okay. You know, but what do you expect for a cheap price? I'll let you know that as we keep moving forward. Looks like we got a little scuffage going on here. But I mean, for the most part, paint's shiny on it. Doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's got a couple dents, dings, and scratches, but nothing too crazy, you know? Yeah, not too bad. Let's keep looking at the Civic. I just got the camera off the top of my head because I really don't know how in the world that looks until I get used to doing more videos like this, nor does the audio quality even turn out pretty good. But I'm gonna get the hang of it, and sooner or later we'll have a great POV video of the cars, checking them out. I hope this kind of speeds up the process a little bit on the car videos. Anyways, just moving a little bit quicker here though, you do have your standard Honda hubcaps with your steel wheel, but the Firestone tires have tons of tread on there. I don't want to get my hands all greasy because the tires shine, but you got plenty of tread on all 4 tires on the car. It's just a little 4-cylinder motor under there, but I really just kind of want to roll through a little bit quicker and take a look. Like I said, the headlights are oxidized. We got a guy that's going to come by here though and actually buff them and clear coat them and just get them all good. However he does it, don't know the exact process, but I see him out here with a buffer buffing those things out. It does have a dent right there on that fender on the front. Really not that noticeable when you kind of get back and look at it. I mean, you can see it, but if you weren't really looking, it kind of blends in a little bit. And again, you do got some scuffage going on right down there. Other than that, let's take a quick look at our seats. Got that gray cloth interior in here. We do have a cigarette burn there and right there. Carpets are in pretty good shape though. Dash is in great shape. Headliner very clean inside the car. You know, if you got kids You got enough room in the back of the Honda to put the car seats in. You're gonna get over 33 miles to the gallon on gas. It doesn't take a whole lot to fill this tank up. So I mean, I think it's a pretty good little car for the money. Man, not too bad. And it's cute, man. These little 2010 Honda Civics were really cute little cars. So anyways, let's hop in and zip her down the road real quick and see how she drives. All right, let's go ahead and get our seatbelt on. The heat is working in here. It's gonna take a minute for it to get nice and hot because it's really cold outside today. But I know the heat is working. The next thing you want to check for is that the AC works. So we're gonna cut that on. We're gonna turn this that way. And let's well, oh wow, I'm already feeling cold air coming out. That's great. So we got AC, we got heat. No need to even leave it on. Let's cut it off and make it quiet in here. Man, the acceleration is really nice inside this Honda Civic. I mean, I know it's just a little four-banger under the hood with some hamsters, but let me tell you, that felt pretty good. It's got that iVTEC under there, I'm assuming, and I'm pretty sure that iVTEC motor, it's got the power to do what you need to do. Let's go ahead and go down here to the gas station and see, you know, how it does turning around and all that kind of thing. I want to see if those CV axles are good to go. You know, these are things you need to check out on a vehicle when you're looking at buying one wherever you're at. One thing I've always liked about these Civics, this particular body style, was the blind spots. You don't have too many blind spots in here. I can really see pretty good. I mean, yes, that is a blind spot technically because you have this A-pillar here and you got a C-pillar in the back, but I'm looking around, I'm seeing pretty good. Let's go ahead and give it a little more gas again. Woo, that little car just wants to go. I'm really liking that. You know, this is one of those cars, you put an intake on, an exhaust, and it's just fun to drive. A great little tuner car for somebody young wanting to kind of sport something up and making it a fun vehicle for, you know, for going around town and showing off a little bit. It's a Honda, and Hondas are reliable and they last forever. I drive one myself. Mine's a 2001 CR-V. So steering feels good. You know, I mean, this is pretty good. Let's go ahead and pop the hood real quick. Let's see what kind of engine's under here. I'm pretty sure this is a, you know, like a 1.8 liter dual overhead cam. Might be a single overhead cam. We definitely got a little chirp. Okay. The battery is definitely dirty under there, but hey, still working. Intake, there you go. I mean, again, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know everything about cars, but the little car drives pretty good. And I'm starting to think maybe this one does not have the iVTEC on it. Maybe it's just a single overhead cam motor. Let me know in the comments what you think about this car. And oh man, I gotta go pee like right now. Let's see if they got a bathroom inside. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the store. I gotta take a whiz, and I know that at a BB gas station there, they do not have a bathroom for general public. I'm pretty sure there was a sticker under the hood of the car though that showed the date when they did the timing belt and water pump. So I think this car is going to be a great vehicle for somebody looking to buy just an inexpensive, good running, reliable cash car. It's tax season, and people are looking to buy cars like this around tax season for sure.